This is a very good topic. It is, how do I make my wife feel special again? I love it. My name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. You could write in with your question too. Go to themarriagefoundation.org. And also subscribe to this channel because our approach to marriage is so different from what is normally out there. We don't work on the problems. We help you see marriage for what it is and how you can gain tremendous benefits from it, which is why I particularly like this question. This gentleman has the right idea. He wants his wife to feel special. What does that mean? That means that he wants his love for her to manifest in his behavior. This is the key. And this is something you almost want to write down. It's like watching your thoughts, watching your behaviors during the day, watching your interactions with your wife. Does it live up to that standard? Is my behavior telling her, I love you? You want her to feel special? The most special that she can ever feel is to be adored, to be loved. You see, she married you in order to experience unconditional love and happiness. It's why you married her as well. We don't talk about that in our society because our society doesn't know this. But it's the truth. It's the reality. She married you in order to experience unconditional love. Now, it's true she needs to learn how to love you in that way. But if you're priming the pump with your behavior being heart-centered, she'll catch on quicker than you, actually. So, before you act, before you speak, you can wait, even if it's in response to something. Ask yourself, will this, what I'm about to say, what I am about to do, make her feel special? Now, there are things that you can say and do that I've brought down to sort of like pat. One is, I love you, but it can't just be said as you're getting off the phone. I mean, it can be, but it always has to come from your heart. It can't just be, oh, and I love you. The other thing that most men don't know is to tell her you appreciate her. Honey, I appreciate you for blah, 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 whatever. And the last thing, always tell your wife she's beautiful. Because she is. Those three things, each one said at least once a day, but from the heart. And you learn in this process how to communicate only from your heart. And she will feel special. It's not about getting her flowers on Valentine's Day. It's not about remembering her birthday. It's not about all of those things which you should be doing anyway. It's about always, 100% of the time, coming from the heart. And remember, don't mess it up by ever getting angry with her, ever uttering a cross word, ever correcting her, ever criticizing her, ever putting her down. Never do anything that is going in the other direction, and you'll be fine. And she will respond. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment. Thank you for spending time. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. And listen to our podcasts. We've started this and it's fun. We're getting good responses, and take care. Thank you.